So Matt says he doesn't snore. Sounds like snoring to me.
Say louder. How do I say repeat that louder? Say, repeat that. What? How do you say that louder? I don't know. You're supposed to be so close to doing it. Some words I don't know.